Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming eligibility. You must be 18, have a social security number, and valid photo ID. Next, assemble required documents, proof of address, driving record if you'll drive, and a concise resume focused on punctuality and customer service. Once done, create a Usps Careers account and set up email notifications so you don't miss openings. You do this now because active listings fill fast. Starting immediately puts you at the top of the applicant pool. You next fill out the online Usps application, selecting mail carrier roles and attaching your resume. Then register and prepare for the Postal Exam 474. Use official practice tests to target time management and situational questions. Once you pass, upload any requested forms like Form 8567 and list your availability plus route preferences. This determines which bids you'll be considered for. Make sure to provide solid references, so you finish by showing up for the interview or hiring event with original documents and a positive, punctual attitude. This often includes route walkthrough questions. Once selected, consent to a background check, drug screen, and DOT physical if driving is involved. These clearances protect you and the public. After passing, accept the offer, complete onboarding paperwork, and attend training for equipment and safety. If onboarding stalls, call the HR contact promptly and confirm missing items. Persistence resolves most paperwork delays.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.